I hope you guys have been paying attention because 2020 has been off the hook for fragrances. It seems like everybody's sleeping. Nobody's talking about everything that's been released. This is a blind buy from trusted sources. It sold out a long time ago. I was able to get into it. I'm going to do unboxing. I have a new format maybe for reviews that I'll start doing for stuff like this. There might be remakes of it, so I do want it to live. But my goodness, just got the box in. Want to show you guys the first ever spray of it. See how it goes. I'm branding therapeutic fragrance, as if you didn't know. Actually, quite a lot of new people around. So, yeah, welcome to the channel. So, corn nuts boxing, normal boxing from Lucky Scent. If you guys get that. Bubble wrap is new. This box is pretty cool. I think it's wood. I want to check this really quick. This will be upcoming. There's one on here that I don't know if I did get it. I did get it. Later. So this nice wood boxing. Ser Keman. All right, scent of the day too. Here we go. Nice covered box. Ser Keman. Rose. Geranium. Jasmine. Blue Tanzu. I don't know either. Maybe some of you know. Yuzu. Cherry Blossom. Sounds like a spring fragrance that could have made the list for sure. Agarwood. Cypress. Shiso. Ser is known for, I almost automatically put them in my mood fragrance category, meditation category. Easy to work with. This thing is stuck in there. There we go. It's out. Real tight fit. Nice red box. Close to the skin. Real meditative. They're a Japanese company. Japanese culture as a whole likes things light. Very fancy. They don't skimp on ingredients at all. All natural in here, just packed with some all natural goodness all over this. Look at the color of the juice. Beautiful gold, slight green. Man, 30 ml. I've seen these caps before. They're wood. Love it. First time I've sprayed it with these notes. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Wow. Cherry blossom from the air with agarwood. It's all natural. You know how I am with my own naturals. Let's give people love of my hair. Holy moly. Winter. That's an area you want to be in. This is what I want to be in. I wear my perfume. This is the stuff. Blind buy. I had a feeling though. Man. It's good. How good? So good. People have been sleeping in 2020. Therapeutic Fragrance has been putting them all up. I've been putting them all up for you. This one, I couldn't get in time. I got lucky. Somebody dropped me a note literally within 30 seconds. I knew this is one of those. Wow, a fumet that you got to have in the collection in the vault. I hope they remake it. Probably do a full review. This is the second remake of it, so obviously they can. I don't know. I get the yuzu right away, which is my favorite citrus top. I get light-handed rose and geranium together. Very spring-forward fragrance that this is creating right now. Agarwood comes off in the sillage. Not so much up close to the skin, but definitely there in the sillage. Always concerned when they use agarwood. I'm sure they mean the white wood. It is an oil also. It's cheaper. Gives off an essence of oud a little bit, but not the full oud ingredient. This is like a spring, a garden, just a normal floral garden, not heavy florals, not heavy roses. You go to the rose garden here in Portland, that's heavy roses. This is just your grandma's garden who loves florals, springtime, lemonade, something citrusy right there. Just that light breeze air, first 75-degree days kind of feel. The shiso and blue tanzu, I have no idea what they're supposed to smell like. I don't have those ingredients. They're not in my nose vocabulary. I have to get them there. But that's the whole feeling I get from that. There's a different dirty, it smells like the geranium to me. I don't know what, I'd be guessing what blue tanzu and the shiso is without looking and studying it. For full review, I will do that for you. Bit of dirty air at the bottom, not dirty, but dusty. Not even dusty. It's musty air. Definitely a musty air at the bottom. This is just a unique spring air that all those ingredients there. Cherry blossoms pop as they should in spring. This is, I mean, whereas my number one spring pick, Adela Narcisse, is heavy, masculine, does have a cologne vibe. This literally is just a floral garden vibe. The agarwood creates enough to bring it 50-50 for me. That's what, I mean, I'm just trying to describe what I hear. Yeah. Anyways, wanted to describe it for you. Had to come back on. I'm like, I don't even think I described it. That's what I described smelling first sniff. There you guys go. Love you. I don't know why they're doing so few bottles. This is killer stuff. This is juice that needs to live. This is just perfume people need to own and know about. Perfume's well and alive. Well and alive. Maybe we can get back talking about perfume. At least on this channel, we'll talk about good perfume. Man, I could probably spray double that just now. Again, with all natural, close to the skin. That's Japanese culture. They don't like to be extravagant. But if you get close, they know they got the goods in every category. You name it, from clothing to jewelry to perfume. Just culture I love studying, being around. Their food's small, but it takes so much delicacies to make, and it's the best of the best of the best. Same with this perfume. Ser, they're up on the channel. They did the Kiara perfume, one of the most expensive that I know about. Got that review up here. This is my first bottle. Been wanting to add them to my collection. There it is. They now live in the collection. I got the jar on the shelf. I mean, these ones I love. I only care about the juice, but it'd be nice to have like an engraved logo to have up there or something like that. Anyways, unboxing. It's been a while. Had to share with you what I got. I like to share what I buy. My failures, my mishaps, my bombs, my gems, my unicorns. Share it all. Hope you all are well. You and your family. I love you. Be blessed.